You have to do your own research, you have to use your brain, you have to think, but the coach is always there. And you can open the coach and you can even share your screen, and it will help you on your journey on trading.
Hello, Christian. Lovely to meet you. Could you tell me a little bit about yourself, your name, your eToro username, where you're from, and how long you've been a pro investor?
Sure, my name is Christian, and I'm on the eToro platform for 5 years now. I'm German, but I'm based in Cyprus, and I'm a product engineer at eToro.
What's the thing every investor believes about themselves that their data proves wrong, and how does Bulls and Bears solve it?
From my experience, it's the discipline, because almost every trader will say like they are very disciplined on their trading, but the reality shows that they are very emotional on their tradings, and they fall into the same biases as most traders do, even the experienced ones. Like, for instance, if you have closed a trade and you made some gain and it feels good, you want to have the feeling again. But if the trade was going bad and you lost money, you want to have a good feeling as soon as possible again. And then is the time when you make mistakes and you invest more than you want to invest, or maybe in the wrong asset. And this is where Bulls and Bears comes in place and tries to help you to become the best trader you can be.
And what did your own investing experience teach you about why discipline is so hard?
Exactly, the emotional part. Like when I started, I didn't have the app, and I was looking onto profit and loss most of the times, but I didn't know which of my decisions were the good ones and which of them were the bad ones. So now I can connect my eToro account, and my eToro history becomes like a mirror. Like a coach would do, he would mirror your decisions to you, so you can think about it and improve your trading over time.
Wow. What does Bulls and Bears do that other AI dashboards can't?
A lot. Yeah, I can show you. This is the dashboard, and what Bulls and Bear doesn't do is it won't tell you buy this or sell that. No. Instead, it will analyze your decisions. It's mostly based on your decisions. So it's not related to your profit and loss mainly, but it's related to how much more money you could have made if you had kept the position longer, or you would have closed it earlier at some point. And the behavioral patterns behind that, like there's some psychological things. This is called the disposition effect, is exactly this moment when you made a loss and you want to have some gain again to feel better. So this is the balance you need to get. And the loss aversion is the psychological effect behind it, because you don't want to lose money. Nobody wants to lose money. No, sure. And the worst thing is, after you lost money, you do the revenge trading. Like,
I'm sure lots of people have done that.
yeah, sure. So these are the biases like most of the traders have their issues with, and Bulls and Bears can show you if you fall for them and if you lost money on them as well.
And what's the most common pattern it reveals that investors had no idea was there?
The most important one is the disposition effect, making sure that you're always following your rules and don't rely on your emotions just to feel better again.
Will AI make investors smarter or just show them what they already know?
This is a very good question, and my answer is both. Because you have to do your own research, you have to use your brain, you have to think, but the coach is always there. You can open the coach and you can even share your screen, and it will help you on your journey on trading, but still it won't trade on your behalf. You have to think, you have to take your decisions.
Finish this sentence. Knowing better means...
Taking better decisions in the end.
Love that. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for showing me your platform. This looks amazing.